Hey, here we go. So today, it's actually more of the same of what we've seen. So we're emphasizing more of this word per, and per meaning for one. And then we're also emphasizing of how we can write that mathematically and how we see in our world. This is with that kind of like that slash symbol there, kind of like a fraction bar, if you will. But again, think grocery store. 99 cents per pound. You see that slash that goes along with it. So that's what we're looking at here. So again, notes, if you haven't taken care of your notes, go ahead, get on into Teams. All right, go ahead and click on where it says notes. All right, math videos, and take care of this particular lesson. If you have taken care of your notes, we are going to be in your entrance slip. And again, we are looking at lesson 18. So again, if you haven't done notes for lesson 18, take care of that first. If you have, get on into your entrance slips, purple packet. All right, and let's get ourselves started. Oh, get your calculator, people. All right, no, we are calculator driven here. So pause if you need to. Otherwise, here we go. So in question number one here, we got Alex, all right, driving, all right, from Colorado to, from Michigan to Colorado, all right, speed limit on the highway was 70 miles, and then there we go. There's that slash that we're talking about. 70 miles, and that means per hour, all right? Per meaning for one. So there's my ratio. We've got ourselves 70 miles in the 1 hour. So that's the important thing always is get that ratio down first. Now, let's see what information they give us. Alex, combined driving time for the trip was 14 hours. Okay, 14 hours. So where's your 14 gonna go? All right, well, hours are in the denominator, so yes, your 14 is gonna go down there. Now, some of you might be thinking, is like, Mr. Savage, do I really need to set up a ratio in this problem? No, you don't. Okay, you might be thinking, hey, 70 miles an hour, 14 hours. Aren't I just going to do 70 times 14? And I do that. So if you see that, run with it. Just make sure you write it down. This simply shows why we're multiplying by 14. Some of your number sense is quite strong. All right. And hey, you just multiply right away. Again, that's fine. So again, reach for the calculator if you need to. All right. I'm going to try to do some mental math here. 7 times 4 is 28. Carry the 2. 980. All right. 980. So it's 980 miles in the 14 hours. Box that in. That is my official winning answer. So, like I said, if you ever see some of these problems and you realize ahead of time, wait a second, shouldn't I just multiply right away? Go ahead and do that. But again, that's the behind the scenes action. All right. So, question number two here. Tom practices his basketball shot every day. If he shoots 40 baskets a day for 60 days, how many shots would Tom take? Okay, again, if you recognize 40 baskets a day, 60 days, hey, 240 or 2,400, sorry. Okay, fine. Again, we do want to show you what's going on here, that it is 40 baskets, all right, a day. So that meaning for one particular day, all right, day. Right? And then, okay, 60 days. So here we go. So there's your 60 that we're looking at. So yes, we are going to multiply by 60. 1 times 60 is 60. So 40 times 60. Make your elementary school teacher proud. 6 times 4 is 24. And then we've got our 10 spots there, 2 of them. So there we go, 2,400 baskets. All right. Um, oh, hey now, there we go. All right. So yeah, so there's your winning answer. So again, setting up the ratios, certainly encourage you to do that. Don't fall into the trap of always multiplying if you go to your classwork. So if you do want to start reaching for your classwork here as I go ahead and start to try to find it here as well. Here we go, classwork. In your lesson number 18. And again, pause the video if you need to get there. All right. Here we go. We do want to notice here, hey, 52 words a minute. All right. So again, we can see that slash that is there. There's your ratio to get yourself started there. 52 words in 1 minute. What we want to stay away from is Yay, we always multiply, we multiply. Well, yes, we did that in the two problems before, but this is why I think the ratio is important there. It says if she continues at this rate, how many minutes would it take to type 2,080 words? Okay, well, where's the words? Oh, the words are up top. Oh, it's not just going to be a multiplication problem here. Um, Again, big numbers, reach for your calculator. And again, the theme that we've been talking about, when you don't know what to multiply by, reach for your calculator, go the other direction and type in a division problem. So you're actually going to type in 2080 divided by 52. All right. Whatever you get there, that's going to tell you what to multiply by. All right. And then you can come on down there and do multiplication as well. So yeah, do watch for that. Okay. The last one that's down here. Oh, look at that. 48, close to 48 miles per hour. All right. So again, there's that per, so that's for one. So again, I'd highly encourage you to set up your ratios. If you're violently against that, I will do no such thing. Okay, but just realize it's not always a multiplication problem, as in just find the two and multiply them together. So just be careful about that. All right, guys. See ya.